Okay, we have a Fadal vertical machining center model VMC 4020 HT, serial number 012006 018563. Machine was new in 2006. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 10,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. You have a 20 ATC with 21, one in, 20 on the ATC. Table size is 20 by 48, 32 inches of X. Right now we are running at what RPM? 1500? 1500 RPM. Doing a gear change. 3500 RPM, going up. 6000 RPM. Spindle is quiet. Gonna run the axes around. They're box ways, all axes. Oh, we're doing a tool change, or simulating a tool change. Machine has a multi-processor control 88HS high speed with a LCD flat panel. You have extended memory. That's your Z. Again, there are boxways, all axes. Your Y. And your X. Telescopic way covers on your X and your Y. Machine is quiet. Pulsator, pulse control. Hey, also you do have a coolant pump. Hey, thank you for watching our video.